You've watched The Secret, you've studied Bob Proctor, you believe in the law of attraction, you've done the affirmations, the visualizing, the scripting, and yet your income is still stuck at £3,000 to £5,000 a month. You're not lazy, you're not ungrateful, you're not out of alignment, but you are stuck in a loop. And I'm gonna show you why. Because if you don't shift this, you're gonna keep manifesting the same month over and over again, even though that deep down you really believe in something greater. Now here's the truth that most coaches don't want to say. Belief alone isn't enough. If it hasn't become your identity, it won't become your result. Let me explain. You can affirm, I am wealthy all day long, but if your body is still carrying the energy of not enough, if your subconscious mind still sees you as someone that earns $3,000 a month, then the law of attraction has no choice but to reflect that identity right back to you. Because this law, it doesn't respond to your words. It's responding to your vibration, which is rooted within your paradigm. So here's what's probably happening with you right now. You start the month inspired. You set these massive goals. You say the affirmations. You visualize the £10,000 a month. But by week 2, when the leads go quiet and the sales start to drop, you start to doubt. And that doubt, it creates tension. Your nervous system will automatically start looking for safety. And safety is whatever is familiar. So your subconscious mind pulls you back to the same again, $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Because your paradigm is like a person in your own head that's against you. It wants you to stay where you are because it's familiar and it's comfortable. And that's not because you want to be pulled back down, it's because it's what you expect. And I know this cycle inside out because I lived it. I believed in the law of attraction for years. I had thinking into results, I knew the material, but I was still earning £15,000 a year. And it wasn't until I sat back and realized that mentally I was affirming I am abundant, while emotionally I was preparing for disappointment. I mean, that shifted everything for me. I had to become the version of me that expected to make £10,000 a month every single month. I had to become that version of me that spoke, moved, and thought like someone that already was making £10,000 a month in their reality. And once that shift happened, boom, everything changed for me. I went from £15,000 a year to over £18,000 a month, and then I made £35,000 in a month. And then it became normal. So what do you actually need to do? Well, number one, you've got to stop chasing results, and you've got to start becoming that version of you that already has them. Now pay attention to what I'm about to say. Manifestation is not a game of getting something. Manifestation is a game of feeling like you already have it. Number two, you've got to change your self-image, because we can never outperform our self-image. So you've got to start acting in alignment with your goal instead of your current income. And also what's going on inside of your subconscious mind has to change. You've got to get rid of the ideas that are not serving you, that are fixed inside your subconscious mind, and replace them with new, more prosperous, and more abundant ideas. I mean, once you change little things within your paradigm, everything starts to change. And also, you've got to expect it. What we expect, we attract. So I want you to be honest with yourself and say, what are you expecting today? What are you expecting your income to be next month? Because if you're expecting more of the same, then what do you think you're going to get? I wake up first thing in the morning and I say to myself, something incredible is going to happen today. I expect miracles to happen today. I expect sales. I expect my clients to win. And I expect that every single thing that I touch today is going to benefit me. And you don't expect it with desperation. You've got to switch from desperation to conviction. It's like ordering food at a restaurant. You're not wondering if the waiter's going to bring the food to the table. You're just deciding what to have. Like, you're expecting when you place your order for the waiter to bring your food. You've got to be the same with £10,000 plus a month. Now, if you apply what I've just told you consistently, you won't just manifest more. You'll just become the person that just naturally attracts more every single month. And this is the exact shift that I help my clients make. They already know about the law of attraction. They already know about my mentor, Bob Proctor. They already know about The Secret, but they were still stuck for years earning below what they was capable of earning. And that's because the problem isn't knowledge, it's embodiment. It's becoming the version of you that naturally attracts more than 5 figures a month. Now, if you want help making that shift, I put together a free resource that shows entrepreneurs exactly how to attract more than £10,000 plus a month. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment and go and download the £10,000 plus month Breakthrough Blueprint. And subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.